So guys, you wanted mod builds, and even though this is not even close what I was doing lately, for instance like Project Horus, Monochrome and Porsche Design and similar builds that I inverted everything, I did something for AeroCool Moddoween this Halloween yesterday, and it was a quite interesting project. First of all, even though I already did a Resident Evil build, I wanted to do it again just because I had a completely different vision of it and wanted to use some products here to give it a bit of a, not more meaning, but something different, and to show you guys what could be done quite easily. Now, the one thing that I used here, and since this was a quite quick build, 2 days, I'll be honest, I only used Dremel DSM-20 to make the front cuts, to cut the part here that's for hard drive or SSDs and something like that, and basically cutting acrylic for the Umbrella Corporation logo, the signs here and on the front side of the power supply. That's all basically for the special parts for the cutout. Now, usually when you check out my builds, they're 99% hard tubing, and for this one I decided to go with soft tubing just because I had this vision of tubes going like this and some crazy insane, I don't know, lab or whatever, and I think I pulled it off quite alright. I mean, it's just tubes going from the res to the monoblock, but okay, let's break it down. First of all, the components. We have here AeroCool's glider case, which is in all opinion quite a different orientation. First of all, the power supply is on top. You have actually loads of spaces. You can see I placed the AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT vertically, and still enough place for the radiator and fans on front. So yeah, that's cool. So you don't think I used 5600G again. This build actually has 5950X AMD Ryzen 9, which is just incredible to pair it up. So yeah, that's cool. MSI MPG X570S Carbon EKX with monoblock, which is just an outstanding motherboard, just performance out of this world. Also, we have 4 sticks of Kingston Fury Beast on 3600 megahertz. We have some nice cable mod sleeved cables, and the rest of the parts, well, basically we have EK Waterblocks custom loop. First of all, monoblock on the motherboard is from EK. We have torque fittings, we have torque angled 90 degrees fittings, we have the FLT 120 quantum kinetic res pump combo with the D5 pump at the back. We have 360 Coolstream slim triple radiator, their tubing as well, and of course we have 4 EK Varder Extreme DRGB fans with red dampening pads on each, on 3 on front and 1 at the back, which kind of really do contemplate the whole build with the color scheme. Of course, the Radeon can also change the colors right here. You do have to download the specific application just for that to change it up and stuff like that. So what did I do with this build? As I already said, I used Dremel DSM-20 to make the cuts here on top and here on the front with the scratches, but I did that lastly so the original color could be, let's say, destroyed. First of all, I went with the paint here, the white and the red, and after that I did the scratches. It's like the advanced liquor was playing around with the case. Then the plexiglass, we have the Umbrella Corporation sign right here, which is cut out from plexi, black one, and red lettering with the, of course, Resident Evil font. Then we have the Umbrella Corporation logo here, here, and here at the bottom, and of course here at the bottom of the power supply as well. So yeah, I would say just to get that Umbrella Corporation Resident Evil look. The cool thing, the GPU also has the R, even though it stands for Radeon. It does kind of resemble to the Resident Evil. And on top we have also scratches from the advanced liquor with loads of fake blood. So yeah, kind of simple build. As I said, I did this in 2 days, and the main thing was to keep the original chassis all together, so that the AeroCool build stands out still. No scratch build, no changing orientation. I mean, this case is quite alright for some ideas like this, but for changing orientation it would be quite hard, and you know, a proper and a bit harder custom build takes quite a time, at least 2 months or 3, so something like that. So I would say I'm quite satisfied, even though I know I could done it much better, and I already know what I would change. But of course this isn't my last mod, and even though I did a repeat on Resident Evil team, next up you'll see, because I already have all the parts and all the custom parts ready for the next project, and so basically stay tuned. You'll see it very soon, most likely in a week or so. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, click the like button and notification bell so you don't miss my next custom build. Thank you for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed building it, and hopefully I will see you in another one. Bye bye.